Old Liverpool Street, New Liverpool Street. Say hello to the future. I will be going on the Elizabeth line again. This time I will be going from Liverpool Street all the way to Canary Wharf. It's only 2 stops. So what we do is start off Liverpool Street and then we'll go to Whitechapel and then it will go on to Canary Wharf. Now Whitechapel has had a massive upgrade with the Crossrail, and this is a brand new station at Canary Wharf. It's completely away from the DLR and the Jubilee line, so it's a brand new station. If you're going into Canary Wharf, just be mindful that you'll have to walk a fair distance if you want to do an interchange into the Jubilee line or the DLR. So going down the escalators, not working, obviously saving electricity I think. And here is the new side ticket hall. Yeah. So clear view now. Go. It's telling you when trains will arrive. Here. Brand new escalators. Check out this view. It's amazing. That is the new lift shaft, which will take you in the direction of the escalators instead of going vertical, because this is a very old part of London. There's lots of sewage pipes to drill through, and the engineers at Crossrail were never going to do that. So it's a very good piece of engineering. Maybe one day I'll use it. Anyway, here's the brand new tunnel. I think there might be another set of escalators. We'll just have to see. Staying to the corners, staying to the edges. Very busy Saturday, very nice and warm Saturday. So, doing is heading towards the platform, and the platform will be the eastbound platform that will take us to Canary Wharf. After Canary Wharf there is Custom House, which deservedly so needed a new station, Woolwich, which needed a quicker route into central London, and Abbey Wood, which definitely needed a quicker route into central London, which would link Thamesmead, which is the area next to Abbey Wood, with central London, because as you know, Thamesmead never had a train station. Underground station, railway station, DLR station had nothing. Yeah, so here are the beautiful signages here on this side and on this side. And I think the platforms are just down here. So it's 2 sets of platforms, 2 sets of escalators going onto the platforms. So I came through on the Liverpool entrance. Moorgate entrance is much quieter, I have to say. And this is the brand new hallway, which at the end of the hallway is the escalators to take you outside onto the Moorgate platform, Moorgate exit. So go. So platform A, instead of the numbers which London Underground use, they're using the alphabet A and B. Very simple. So Abbey Wood train's approaching, and here we go. So, Liverpool Street. Here we go. Approaching. live timetable, live routes, journey, new signage, absolutely fantastic. Oh, train's a bit crowded. Let's go down to the side. Here.
Canary Wharf. Next station, Whitechapel. Whitechapel.
Very long. Next station will be Plumstead, Thamesmead absolutely needs something like the Elizabeth line. It is no joke. So yeah, soon we will be heading to Canary Wharf. The train is quite crowded. I'm expecting Canary Wharf to be extra even more crowded.
Next station, Canary Wharf.
So yeah, in 3 more stops it will terminate, but I'm getting off here. Wow. I'm looking forward to getting to this station. Wonder how far deep we are. So beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. The station is probably the best looking station you're ever going to see in London. I am not kidding. Futuristically, not historically, futuristically. Canary Wharf. Canary yellow escalator. Escalators, absolutely amazing. Right. Absolutely beautiful. What I'll do is I think I'll use the other escalators. Too crowded here. Not too crowded. Go down.
Thank you for your
down. The platform's not as long as I thought it would be. Very open plan compared to the other platforms, the other stations. Yeah, where you had to kind of go through a corridor to go to the other side, which is good. Oh, here's the mapping. Here's the mapping. AB. Reminds me of the Jubilee Line extension platforms that they built in 1999. God, such a long time ago. Yeah. Anyway. There you go.
Train now standing on platform B is your westbound service to Paddington. Pulling at Whitechapel, Liverpool Street, Paddington, Stockport Road, and Paddington.
Absolutely amazing.
The train will not be stopping at
We're up the canary yellow escalators. Absolutely beautiful. Would have been better if they made the actual escalator steps canary yellow, but still, doesn't matter. Absolutely fantastic. And go up we get. I think there might be another set of escalators after this. Ooh, wow. This is very vast. Look at aircraft hangar. Right, which exit do I go from? Right. Crossrail Place or Canada Place? Aha, Crossrail Place. I think I'll go Canada Place. I think I might need to go there. Something, but this is massive. I'm not even gonna lie. This is absolutely amazing. There we go. So absolutely amazing. Ooh, there's a lift. People need it. Oh, that's the yellow on the inside. Very bright. Very optimistic colour. Well, this whole railway line is optimistic. It's the future. It's what London needs. What London needs. So, let me get through the barriers. Got the escalators. Oh, it's a bit steep. Not very wide. A bit narrow. Oh, it's a bit corrugated. It's a bit cheap on this side. Oh, metal bars. Look like corrugated rooms. Corrugated metal sheets. Very Albert Square, Calf's Calf, if you know what I mean. If you know, you know. Seriously, poor portrayal of East London. Okay, I can see that this side, is closed. Is that the fish market? Billingsgate Fish Market. Oh, the canal, people are having a hot tub. And on this side is the exit, the Canada Place. Right. Let's see. Let's get out of here. Let's see where I am actually. Ah, yes. I'm at the end of. Oh, I'm at the end of Crossrail Place. Yeah. There's gardens up top there, and I think there's a cinema in this area. I think it's Everyman Cinema. But yeah. Beautiful, such a quick journey. I don't think that would last. I think that was less than 10 minutes. Absolutely amazing, absolutely amazing. I mean, my main takeaway from this is London is only going to get stronger and stronger. It's a beautiful, it's made it even more beautiful city to travel through. I mean, the next thing TfL have got to do is extend the Bakerloo line. That's the only thing they've got to do. Anyway, take care. See you. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will do another phonics video, 40 words. So I've noticed a lot of people have been watching that video, and I will come up with another video. And yeah, so take care. See you. Have a great day. Bye.